Hello friends, we have completed 2 videos till now, including blood and its composition, blood groups, that is ABO system and RH system, and also we have covered a hot topic, erythroblastosis fetalis. Today we are going to study about coagulation of blood and lymph. Now let us start with coagulation of blood. You know that when you cut your finger or hurt yourself, your wound does not continue to bleed for a long time. Usually, the blood stops flowing after some time. And do you know why? Yes, you are right. Blood exhibits coagulation or clotting in response to an injury or trauma. You would have observed that over a period of time, a dark reddish brown scum is formed at the site of cut or an injury. And later the clot is eroded from the surface and new skin cells are formed beneath the clot. NCERT says that clot or coagulum formed mainly of networks of thread called fibrins, in which dead or damaged formed elements of blood are trapped. Now let us understand what fibrins are. Fibrins are formed by the conversion of inactive fibrinogens in the plasma with the help of enzyme thrombin. Thrombins in turn are formed from another inactive substance present in the plasma called as prothrombin. And this reaction also requires an enzyme complex called as thrombokinase. This enzyme complex thrombokinase is formed by a series of linked enzymic reactions, also called as cascade process, involving a number of factors present in the plasma in an inactive state. We have seen this picture and pathway of clotting in first part of the chapter. An injury or a trauma stimulates the platelet in the blood to release certain factors which activate the mechanism of coagulation. And calcium ions play a very important role in clotting. Now let us begin with lymph. But before we move any further, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon below and like the video. This picture shows a network of arterioles, capillaries, venules and lymphatic capillaries and lymph. Blood passes through the capillaries. As the blood passes through the capillaries in tissues, some water along with many small water-soluble substances move out into the spaces between the cells of tissues. And they leave behind the larger proteins and most of the formed elements in the blood vessels. So only water and water-soluble substances move out, while the larger proteins and most of the formed elements remain in the blood. As the name suggests, lymph contains lymphocytes. The fluid released out is called as interstitial fluid or tissue fluid. Now some features about interstitial fluid or tissue fluid. It has same mineral distribution as that in plasma. Exchange of nutrients or gases between the blood and the cells always occur through this fluid. If you would remember, I have taken this slide from the first part of the chapter. After the exchange of nutrients and gases has taken place between the body cells and the fluid, now it needs to be collected back. It is collected by an elaborate network of vessels called the lymphatic system. Fluid present in spaces between the cells of the tissue is called an interstitial fluid. Now we know this. And later on, this interstitial fluid goes in the lymphatic vessels and then the fluid is called as lymph. I hope you have got the difference between interstitial fluid and lymph. Generally, students make a big mistake between lymph and interstitial fluid. Some features of lymph. The fluid present in the lymphatic system is called as lymph. Lymph is colorless fluid containing specialized lymphocytes. We know this. These lymphocytes are responsible for immune response of the body. Lymph is also an important carrier for nutrients and hormones. When you will study about the chapter digestion and absorption, you will come across the absorption of fats from GIT. Fat is absorbed through lymph in the lacteals present in intestinal villi. This picture shows the presence of lacteals in the villi, and the fat absorption takes place from this lacteals, and lacteals are filled with lymph. Thank you. You can like, share and subscribe the channel. For more such videos, you can stay connected.